Welcome back. In this video, we'll practice English conversations and vocabulary in the supermarket. Let's make shopping in English easy and fun. Asking for directions in the supermarket. Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure, what are you looking for?
I need some rice. Where can I find it?
Rice is in aisle 7 near the cooking oil.
Thank you. And where are the cleaning supplies?
They are in aisle 10 next to the paper towels.
Great. Oh, one more thing. Do you know where the dairy section is?
Yes, it's at the back of the store on the left side.
Perfect. Thanks so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
I will. Have a nice day. Out of stock?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find brown sugar. I don't see it on the shelf.
Let me check. Oh, I'm sorry. We're sold out of brown sugar today.
Really? Do you know when it will be back in stock?
Yes, the next delivery is tomorrow morning.
That's good to know. Do you have any similar products?
You could try this organic sugar or white sugar instead.
Okay, I'll take the organic sugar. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Discounted product, sale product, or promotional item.
Excuse me, I saw a sign that coffee is on sale. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. This week, all coffee is 20% off.
Oh, nice. Does the discount apply to this brand too?
Yes, it applies to every brand, including this one.
Great. And how long will the sale last?
Until Sunday evening. After that, it goes back to the regular price.
Perfect. I'll take 2 packs then. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks, I will.
At the checkout counter. Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you. Just these items.
Great. Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't.
No problem. Your total is $23.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Done.
Perfect. Your payment went through. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Customer finds billing error. Hello. Your total is $28.50.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake.
Oh? What seems to be the problem?
I only bought 1 milk, but the receipt shows 2.
Let me check. You're right. I scanned it twice.
Could you fix it, please?
Of course. I'll remove 1 item. Your new total is $21.
Great, thank you.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Have a nice day.
No problem. You too.
Supermarket return.
Excuse me, I bought this juice yesterday, but it's expired.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like to exchange it for a new one or get a refund?
I'd like to exchange it, please.
No problem. I'll take this one back and you can grab a fresh bottle from the shelf.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. Have a nice day.
You too. Asking for shopping bags. Excuse me, do you have any shopping bags?
Yes, we do. Would you like paper bags or reusable bags?
What's the difference?
Paper bags are free, but reusable bags cost $1 each.
Oh, I see. How many items can a reusable bag hold?
It's quite strong. You can carry about 10 to 12 items in one bag.
That's great. I'll take 2 reusable bags, please.
Sure. I'll add them to your total.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Supermarket vocabulary. Places in the supermarket. Aisle, the walkway between shelves. Example, the cereal is in aisle 5. Checkout counter or checkout, the place where you pay for your items. Example, let's go to the checkout counter to pay. Cash register, the machine that calculates the total and prints the receipt. Example, the cashier put my money in the cash register. Self-checkout, a machine area where customers scan and pay for items themselves. Example, I used the self-checkout to scan my groceries. Shopping cart or trolley, a large wheeled basket for carrying many items. Example, I need a shopping cart for all these items. Shopping basket. A smaller basket you carry by hand for fewer items. Example, I only have bread and milk, so I used a basket. Express lane. A fast checkout line for customers with only a few items. Example, this express lane is for 10 items or less. Customer service desk. The counter where you return items or ask for help. Example, I returned the broken blender at the customer service desk. Products and goods. Fresh produce, fresh fruits and vegetables. Example, I bought fresh produce like apples and carrots. Dairy products, milk-based items like cheese, butter, yogurt. Example, milk and cheese are dairy products. Frozen food, food kept cold in a freezer like frozen pizza or meat. Example, she bought frozen food like ice cream and pizza. Canned food, food in cans like tuna or beans. Example, we need canned food such as tuna and beans. Bakery, the section that sells bread, cakes, and pastries. Example, the bakery sells fresh bread every morning. Meat section, butcher, the area that sells fresh meat. Example, he went to the meat section to buy chicken. Seafood section, the area that sells fish, shrimp, crabs, etc. Example, the seafood section has fresh fish today. Snacks, small, quick foods like chips, cookies, candy. Example, I love eating snacks like chips while watching TV. Beverages, drinks like soda, juice, bottled coffee. Example, this aisle has beverages like soda and juice. Payment and prices. Price tag, a small label showing the price of an item. Example, the price tag says this shirt is $10. Barcode, black and white lines on a product scanned for price. Example, the cashier scanned the barcode on the box. Discount or sale, a lower price than usual. Example, this cereal is on discount today. Buy one, get one free, BOGO. A special deal, buy one item, get one free. Example, the cookies are buy one, get one free. Coupon, a ticket or code that gives you a lower price. Example, I used a coupon to save $2. Loyalty card or membership card, a card that collects points when you shop often. Example, she used her loyalty card to collect points. Total amount, the full price you must pay. Example, the total amount is $25. Receipt, a paper showing what you bought and how much you paid. Example, here is your receipt for the groceries. Cash, paper money or coins. Example, he paid for the apples with cash. Credit card or debit card, plastic cards used to pay instead of cash. Example, I paid for the groceries with my credit card. People in the supermarket. Cashier, the person at the checkout who takes your money. Example, the cashier gave me change. Store clerk or shop assistant, the worker who helps you find things. Example, the store clerk helped me find the rice. Stocker, the worker who puts products on the shelves. Example, the stocker put new milk on the shelf. Customer, the person who buys the products. Example, the customer bought many vegetables. Manager, the person in charge of the supermarket. Example, the manager helped solve my problem.
Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of today's supermarket conversation and vocabulary lesson. I hope it helps you practice English in real life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English speaking practice every day. And if you want me to make a video about any topic, just leave a comment below.